Don't ever punish somebody for being a schmuck, right? If they want to ignore your emails, that's their business. We're in sales. We're not in friends. So don't be like, hey, Nick, I sent you 3 responses. Nick, Matt Easton over here at Easton University. I wanted to make sure that you received the invite to set up that call. Oh, no, I didn't see it. Well, I'd sent it to you 3 times. And I'll send it over to you right now. Can you give me the email one more time? It's probably going to be the exact same email, right? Hey, well, I got you on the phone. Can you let me know if it hit your box? I'm concerned it might be going to spam. We got to be real calm and real cool. The minute you punish them for being lazy and not responding to you is the minute they'll never do business with you, because you just reminded them of their laziness. Hey, you're losing deals right now and you don't even know why, and that should scare you. I get it. You think you're saying the right things. You think you're doing everything by the book, but deals are slipping through your fingers. Why? Because nobody ever taught you the right way to sell. I'm Matt Easton, and at Easton University, I'll show you exactly what to say, exactly what to do, and exactly how to close more deals fast. You're going to get access to the Easton University Learning Portal. It's going to show you everything you need to know to double your sales within 30 days. But it doesn't stop there. I'm going to work with you live twice a week to make sure you hit your goals. I'm going to be there with you every single step of the way. Stop guessing and start closing. Click the link here and take control of your sales career right now.